Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a TP-Link Wi-Fi router in the Tether app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Tether app on your mobile device. Ensure your TP-Link router is powered on and connected to the internet. Tap on the login button on the app's home screen. If it's your first time using the app, select Create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. After registration, return to the login page and enter your credentials. Once logged in, the app will automatically search for available TP-Link routers. Select your router from the list of detected devices. If your router is not displayed, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure the router is in range. After selecting your router, enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. This password is usually found on the label at the back or bottom of your router. Tap on Connect to establish a connection to your router. Once connected, you may be asked to set a new password for the router. Choose a secure password and confirm it. Now, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of the Tether app. From here, you can manage your router settings and connected devices. Utilize the app to monitor your network performance and make adjustments as needed. Remember to keep the app updated for the best performance and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.